Core inflation is exhibiting stickiness. We will keep Arjuna's eye on the evolving inflation dynamics and be ready to act as may be necessary. RBI's policy.
The RBI Governor emphasizing the battle against inflation after retail inflation has been above the RBI's comfort level for the whole year. With the Monetary Policy Committee deciding to hike the key lending rate by 35 basis points to 6.25%, this is the fifth rate hike in a row, but the first moderate hike as prices are cooling off. However, this will still mean EMIs will go up.
RBI policy been more or less on expected lines. There's been a 35 basis points increase in the repo rate, which actually signals that while we can't be really complacent about inflation coming down.
The RBI governor did point out that real GDP growth has been revised downwards to 6.8% for FY23 versus 7% growth projected earlier, but reiterated how India will still be one of the fastest growing major economies in the world.
Real GDP growth for the current year, that is 2022-23, is projected at 6.8%. Now, even after this reduction or revision, even after this revision in our growth projection for 2022-23, that is the current year, India will still be among the fastest growing major economies in the world.
On the GDP front, even if the GDP forecasts have been cut down to 6.8%, it is more a reflection of imported inflation actually playing out on our GDP as well.
Markets ended the day marginally lower after the RBI governor stated that India's fight against inflation isn't over. Although, of course, he did say that the worst of inflation is behind us. All eyes now on how the growth and inflation dynamics pan out by next calendar year. With Priyanshi Sharma, Sakshi Bajaj for NDTV.